Is Ethereum on the brink of collapse, or is it silently gearing up for a monumental surge? Let's dissect the current landscape and uncover the truth behind Ethereum's trajectory. Welcome back to WildPodX, Tony here. Today is 18th of February 2025. Let's take a look at today's market update. Currently, Bitcoin is continuing its consolidation between 95,000 to 100k zone, while Ethereum stands at 2,680. Big tech company like Nvidia is up 2.6% and Apple is up 1.2%, leading the upward trend. In today's morning deep dive, we're looking at is Ethereum truly on the decline, or is it positioning itself for a significant resurgence? In recent months, people have started questioning whether Ethereum is falling behind. Bitcoin has surged to new highs, Solana has captured the spotlight, and yet Ethereum seems to be lagging. The excitement around new applications and innovations in its ecosystem has been noticeably quieter. While Ethereum was once the go-to platform for decentralized application, there haven't been any major breakthrough recently, leading some to wonder if it's losing its competitive edge. In January this year, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin addressed growing concern about leadership change within the Ethereum Foundation. Some in the community pushed for new leadership, particularly advocating for researcher Danny Ryan to take a more prominent role. Others criticized Executive Director Aya Miyaguchi, leading to a wave of harassment and personal attack, which Vitalik strongly commended as pure evil. He made it clear that, for now, he remains the sole authority over the Foundation's direction, and the leadership change would only happen through formal structural reforms. This internal tension has raised questions about Ethereum's governance, but it also highlights a deeper issue. Ethereum's future depends not only on technology, but also on strong leadership and community trust. And recently, there's speculation about the approval of staked Ethereum ETF, with Donald Trump returned to presidency, potentially making the regulatory landscape more crypto-friendly. Investors are watching closely. Several firms has already filed for ETF that include altcoin like Solana and XRPs, sparking hope that a staked Ethereum ETF could be next. If a staked Ethereum ETF get approved, it could introduce a new wave of institutional investment. However, the outcome remains uncertain at the moment, and until that's clarity, Ethereum's price could continue to move sideways. We'll have to consider another theory floating around is that Ethereum's sluggish performance isn't just market-driven, it is actually being suppressed. Some analysts believe that big financial entities, possibly from traditional finance, are holding Ethereum down on purpose. You can think of it as keeping a balloon underwater. You can only keep it under for so long. Well, this is a bold claim with no concrete proof, but history has shown that once too many people give up on an asset, that's when the reversal happens. So if Ethereum is being suppressed, it could also mean that it's setting up for another explosive comeback. When we look at Ethereum's position in the crypto ecosystem, is quite unique. While Bitcoin is widely accepted as the digital gold, a store of value, Ethereum is often compared to the digital oil because it fuses decentralized application and, most importantly, smart contract. It is undoubtedly a key part of blockchain infrastructure, and even though the market isn't rewarding it right now, its long-term utility could be what drives its eventual resurgence. Yes, Ethereum does look kind of weak now, but the narrative in crypto changes really fast. The question isn't whether Ethereum is dead, is whether the market is missing something that could trigger a major rally. One major factor is Layer 2 adoptions. Ethereum's main chain can be slow and expensive, but Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Starknet are rapidly expanding. Institutions are taking notice, and once user experience improves, Ethereum's network effect could kick into high gear. Right now, it's like a congested highway, frustratingly slow, but as soon as new lane opens, traffic moves much faster. Then there is the new Ethereum staking dynamic. The recent upgrade allows staked Ethereum withdrawals, and many feared mass sell-offs, but the opposite actually happened. Staking demand skyrocketed. More Ethereum is getting locked up, reducing the available supply. If a staking Ethereum ETF gets a green light, it could bring major institutional money, just like Bitcoin ETF did. Pension fund and asset managers start buying staked Ethereum. Supply will tighten even more. And lastly, we need to discuss that Ethereum's potential. It is actually extended beyond crypto. Large financial institutions, including BlackRock and JP Morgan Chase, are actively exploring blockchain-based tokenization of real-world assets, despite the hype cycle that shifts attention to a meme coin and fast layer 1 like Solana. Ethereum remains the preferred choice for a serious institutional project. As traditional finance moves into blockchain, Ethereum could be the backbone of tokenized finance, giving it a long-term advantages that the market isn't fully pricing in yet. So we have asked a lot of questions about Ethereum today, including external force, traditional finance interest, and regulatory pressure in market cycle. But we do know one thing for sure. You cannot keep a balloon underwater forever. The very moment that sentiment shifts, it will start exploding. Everything is in place for Ethereum's next big move. The question is, when the market finally wakes up to it. Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news, a recent report highlights that the Bitcoin mining sector has created over 31,000 jobs across the United States. Texas leads with more than 12,200 jobs, significantly boosting local economies and infrastructure. This growth aligned with Donald Trump's emphasis on expanding the nation's energy production to support high-performance computing industries. The second news, a Hong Kong-listed company named HK Asia Holding Limited experienced a near doubling of its share value after announcing the purchase of one single Bitcoin at approximately 96,000. This again shows the growing trend of corporations parking their money or investing in cryptocurrency to hedge against economy uncertainty and currency depreciation. The third news, CC, the co-founder of Binance, has dismissed rumors suggesting the cryptocurrency exchange Binance is up for sale. The rumor emerged following significant asset movement within the Binance exchange, which the company attributes to internal accounting adjustment rather than financial instability. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for daily updating weekdays. Stay invested and I'll see you tomorrow.